Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch. To turn on the watch, simply press and hold the ground button and keep holding it until you see the Google logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see this animation on the screen. This means we need to download and install the Google Pixel Watch application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and the Bluetooth enabled on your phone. And once you do, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in Google Pixel Watch, and then tap on search. You should see this application, Google Pixel Watch, developed by Google, with this icon. Once you see it, you can tap on the install button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the application, you should see this page. Now let's tap on the continue button. Here we can, or rather we need to agree to the terms of services, or terms of service rather, and you can check or uncheck the boxes right here to agree to different features like diagnostic reports or location, and you can check them or uncheck them. And once you're done, you can tap on I agree, then tap on OK. As you can see, now the watch, or rather the phone, is looking for the watch, and as you can see, it detected it, and we can tap on it to select it like this. Then we can tap on pair. And here we can basically copy the Google account from our phone to our watch. If you don't want to do this, you can tap on the skip button right here. But if you want to use features like Google Play Store, Gmail and stuff like that on your watch, you need to copy the account. As you can see, the phone is giving me one of the accounts I am logged in on this phone. But and you can tap on continue. If you have any account right here, you can tap on continue with this account, or you can tap on choose other account. I'm gonna tap on choose other account and select this one, for example. And once you select the account, it's gonna try to log in. Let's tap on retry. Something went wrong, so let's try again. Okay, and now we need to verify the account, so we need to enter the password for our Google account. So I'm gonna tap here, enter the password. Okay, and once you enter the password, you can tap on next. After you log in into account, you will see this page. You can tap on next. Next. Here you can select on which wrist you can, or you prefer to wear the watch. You can select left or right, and also you can select on which side the crown should be. And once you're done, tap on next. right here you can learn how to switch the bands, but if you want to skip it, you can tap on not now. If you want to go through it, simply tap on next and just keep tapping on next to go through the tutorial. And after the tutorial how to switch the bands, you should see the this page. Basically, it wants you to install the Fitbit application. So if you want to track your fitness goals, your sleeping schedule and stuff like that, it's recommended to install this application, because I'm not sure if you can do it only through the Google Pixel app. I'm pretty sure you need to have both applications to track the fitness stuff and stuff like that. So if you want to do it, tap on the install button. If you don't want to install it, tap on do it later. I'm gonna do it right now, so I'm gonna tap on install. This will open the Google Play Store page for the Fitbit application. We can tap on install button and wait until the application is done installing. And now the app will go to the next step, and here we can set up the Google Assistant. So if you want to use the Google Assistant on your watch, simply tap on setup. If you don't, you can tap on skip and skip this step. If you tap on setup, you can tap on next and then tap on continue. Okay, and here we can set up the screen lock protection. So basically, if you want to have the screen lock on your watch, so only you and people who know your PIN, password or pattern will be able to access the watch. And also the screen lock will be enabled every time or automatically when you take off your watch, basically from your hand. And if you want to set up the screen lock, simply select the method, you have PIN or pattern, and then enter the PIN you want to use and enter it again to confirm, and that should be all. But I'm just gonna skip this step by tapping on the skip button, so you can skip it too if you want to. And here we can add or set up a Google Wallet, basically, so you can add debit or credit card to the Google Wallet, so you can use your watch to pay for things. I'm just gonna skip this step, but if you want to do it, tap on next and add the credentials there. Okay, and here we can also install some apps for our watch. If you want to install new apps rather, you have the right here you have the list of recommended apps, and you can select the apps by checking the box next to them. And then once you select them, they will install automatically on your watch. I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna leave the app that is already installed on my watch and then tap on continue. You can also tap on skip to completely skip this step. And right here we need to allow the permissions for the Google Pixel application. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you will need to allow the permissions. And also if you want to use the features like SMS, messages rather, calendar and stuff like that, you will need to allow the permissions. You can also deny them, but some of the features won't work on your watch if you do that. So tap on next and select if you want to allow or deny the permission. I'm just gonna allow them, all of them, but you can also deny them if you want. So customize them to your liking. And if you want to have the notifications on your watch, you will need to allow the notification access. So you will need to tap on allow. And after you're done with the permissions, you should see this page, setup complete. Here you can select to send the email to the email address. I'm just gonna tap on done. And once you're done, you should see this page, the main page of the Google Pixel Watch application. But we're not done yet because we installed the Fitbit app rather. So we can swipe right here, and you should see the message saying, my bad, message saying that connect Fitbit account. You can tap on a Fitbit app, open Fitbit app rather. It will open the Fitbit application we installed before. Now we can tap on login, enter the credentials for the account. And once you log in, you should see the homepage of the Fitbit application, and you can tap on the profile icon, and here you should see your Google Pixel Watch. And you can tap on it, and as you can see, we have the Google Pixel Watch connected to our Fitbit application, and we can set up some goals like reminders to move and main goal steps or distance. And also, if you want to track your health or fitness data, you have the today page, and here you have the data you will gather by wearing the watch. Okay, we can close the Fitbit app, and that's about all. Basically, the watch is paired with our phone. When you wake up the screen on it, you should also see the tutorial. You can go through it or just tap on the X button to skip it. And now we can use our watch. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.